Is your iPhone not charging? Don't worry, this video will show you quick and effective ways to bring it back to life. Method 1. Check basic hardware issues. First, check your charging cable and adapter. Try using a different charger or USB port. Sometimes it's just a faulty cable. Also, clean the charging port gently, using a soft brush or a dry cotton swab to remove any dust or debris. Method 2. Force restart your iPhone. If your iPhone still won't respond, try a force restart. Quickly press and release volume up, then volume down, then hold the power button until the Apple logo appears and wait for the iPhone to turn on again. After entering your passcode, try charging it again to see if it returns to normal. Part 3. Fix system problems, no data loss. If the screen stays black, or your iPhone still won't turn on, it might be a system crash. In that case, use a professional repair tool, like TunesKit iOS System Recovery. It can repair over 150 iOS system issues, including charging and startup problems, stuck in recovery mode, stuck on white Apple logo, black screen of death, etc., without erasing your data. Just connect your iPhone, and select iOS System Repair and press the Start button. Then choose Standard Repair. This mode will not cause your data to be lost. Next, you should confirm your device information is correct, and then press the Download button to download the firmware package. Once downloaded, click the Repair button and wait for the recovery process to complete. Wait for the process to end, and your device will come back to normal again. And that's it! If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell.